What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I just came out here to the dog park in the neighborhood here to just fly this little guy here, have a little bit of fun with one of my little drones. This is actually one of my ChopShop drones, and I've modded this thing heavily. The insides of this guy is the Sky Dreamer Plus, and I added this PH 2.0 connected to it. This frame here came from the Eachine E33, and all my Hubsan fans, this definitely look familiar to you guys, right? This is modeled after the Hubsan H501S, and so that's what made it really awesome. I swapped the props out and added these props from the Sky Dreamer Plus, and so it's a little baby Hubsan. And I wanted it to run these little batteries here. These are the Emax 450-1S packs here, but I did recently get these right here. These are 650 milliamp hour, and they're 3.8 volts, so high voltage packs. I've been flying it around with this a little bit, and it flies really nice with those, but I think it's going to fly better with these 450s here. And so I just came out here to have a little fun at the dog park here, and I figure I'll share with you guys. So I'm just going to fly this guy around. Now, the reason why I did this mod here with the Sky Dreamer Plus internals is to have it compatible with deviation. So I will be flying this with my T8 SG Plus, the jumper, and it's on the Sky Dreamer Plus protocol. So let's get this little guy up in the air. It's kind of windy out here, but this thing has some nice pitch on it, so I shouldn't have too much trouble. The wind is picking up though. This guy is super light. Awesome lights on it. I know the people who are subscribed to my ChopShop channel are probably still waiting for this guy to be flown at night. I haven't been doing a lot of flying outdoors because of the whole pandemic and all, but I made it out to fly it. Let's see. So we're down to the T8 SG. Let's take this guy up in the air. Check it out. Nice yaw rate on it. Better control range now that I did this mod, and I can fly with the T8 SG. Check out the funnels this thing is capable of. The wind trying to take it up to the trees. And then hopefully you guys can see the lights. I can see the lights. It's glowing blue in the front and red in the rear. Let's see if I can get it to flip. Yep. Starting to climb on me. Really windy out here. Tripping over branches over here. Hopefully I don't step in any dog smash out here. Little proximity flying. Got a few trees over here, all of the good Action is over there though, I guess. In the thick of the trees over there. Maybe we'll walk closer. Try to get closer to those trees over there. Trying to funnel around this tree here. Not helping with the wind though. Since we're over grass, let's try some manual flips. Sheesh, the battery's dying on me. Yeah, it barely can recover. I just cut the throttle when I came down there. The lights aren't flashing though. Let's see. Oh yeah, the lights are flashing. Well, actually they're solid again. So I don't know what this is about. It must be getting weak though. It's not fully into LVC, but it is really weak right now. These batteries are known to drop off really quick, so let me see if I can pop another pack in here real quick. Battery's kind of warm too. I guess I can finish off this 650. I just was flying it a little bit with this 650 in the house before I came out here. So give you guys an idea of how nice it flies with the 650. Let's bring it over here to the little jog path so we can get a stable takeoff. A stable level out. Okay, so here you go. Yeah, I can feel the weight on it though. So it's probably not going to do any better manual flips. Let's try to thread the needle there. Uh-oh. Couldn't see coming back. Oh, I'm just banging all the way out. Oh, can't take off either. Just try to toss it and take off. Going against the wind here. Hard to do proximity flying when it's windy like this. The wind is almost taking it down. And I was flying with this battery earlier, so it's kind of weak. So I guess I'm just gonna bring it in. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little flight of the E55 from Eachine. That's the body of it, but the insides of this thing are from the Skydreamer Plus, flown with the T8SG jumper.